With EstVis, managing invoices is easier than ever and takes two simple steps: taking invoices photos with EstVis mobile app and posting invoices through EstVis workflow. Launch EstVis mobile app, tap Menu button and then Invoice Scanner. Position invoices in camera view one by one. When all the invoices are scanned, tap Save. For each scanned invoice, type its arrow number if needed. After all, tap Send and close scanner. Each time a new invoice scanned, Workflow notifies about this with a special sign on the case. Click it to post the invoice. There are estimate details on the left and invoice photos on the right side of the screen. Click Recognize button to process the invoice. EstVis automatically pre-fills some general fields. All you need to do is to match some details. The process is pretty simple. Click the field on the left and then click the corresponding value on the right. One by one. Start typing vendor name and then choose the one from the list. Finally, click Save and Close, or Save and Next if you have more than one invoices to be posted. If you integrated EstVis with CCC or Mitchell, EstVis automatically attaches and uploads posted invoice to the arrow documentation. All scanned invoices are also available through Management app. You can find them by clicking Plus Invoice button. Click an item in the Unposted Invoices list, and then follow the same steps as it was demonstrated before.